Force Factor Ashwagandha Review. Does it actually work? So the Force Factor Ashwagandha is a natural supplement to reduce stress, improve mood, and support testosterone levels in men. Ashwagandha is a popular adaptogen with a long history in Ayurvedic medicine. But does this actually work? So let's talk about the pros and cons. So the first is it offers a natural adaptogen, which uses ashwagandha, known for its stress relieving and calming effects. It also supports stress and mood, marketed to help to manage cortisol and promote relaxation. It also has potential testosterone benefits for the male users, and it has convenient capsules, which is easy daily supplement formed from a recognizable brand. The cons is though, it has some mixed result. Not everyone experiences noticeable changes in stress or energy. They also have a limited dosage transparency. There are some possible side effects, and it comes with a higher price compared to other supplements. So overall, the force factor ashwagandha may help reduce stress and support testosterone, but its results may vary depending on the dosage and the individual response.